I received something from Fashionphile. I am so excited to open this bag with you because it's an authentic Gucci bag that's like a limited edition but beautiful. So let's get started. First, if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic equal twin items, I DIY, compare bags, do review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on Instagram at TCP_lecture-free. Here it is. I can't believe it's here. Those of you who are familiar, to be real, they're getting a little messy here because they used to be really like clean when they used to give me stuff, but I don't know what's going on. Fashionphile, we spend so much money on this stuff. Okay, so here's the, see what I mean? It's getting messy. Have a lot of these Fashionphile files for your nails. Here's the receipt and information. Right? I don't know if you're interested in this. If I'm just gonna put it down. So use is a new. Cute, right? Here is the bag. I'm so excited about this one and I can't wait to open her. Sorry if I'm wearing the same thing, but she just arrived and I don't want to change all the time. So here's the best bag, cotton. Here she is, Gucci Mini Thiara mini bag. I'm so excited, so excited. This is so me. She is gorgeous. And of course I have the remove tag, which I'm going to because wow, she's in really great condition. She does have a little bit of scuffing, as you can see. And she is really, look at that tiger embellishment. Oh my goodness, this bamboo handle, and there's a cute heart in the back, and that gold trim is so adorable. It's an accordion style. You know, this is not for everybody. This is for some people that are crazy like me. I have a very like special taste in luxury designer stuff. To me, it's an art. I'm slipping stuff, and I'm excited. A lot of you know I love cats. Look at that tiger. And I could tell right away it's not gonna match my shoes that I purchased with the little tiger, but it definitely will match some other things that I have. So let's open her up. Obviously she comes with a chain. Oh, push it. Oh, cool, there's a dust bag. Just put it like I don't know, just put it on my shoulder. And there is accordion style, there's the chain. We'll get to the chain in a second. Oh, look at that lining. It's beautiful and silky. It has the black tag, QR code tag, and an authenticity serial number. No authenticity paperwork, but for the price, I don't mind. These are all sold out pretty much everywhere. It does have some indentation, which I'm fine with. And I hear you could remove those. If you have any idea of how you remove them, I hear like hair dryers and stuff, but I'm nervous to do that. So, especially with this expensive ass bag. But that's pretty much it, folks. The chain. So the chain does have Gucci on the hardware. Oh, not on that side. This one side has Gucci. See that? And they said this has scuffing on the hardware, but I don't see that. I guess sometimes these pre-loved places like the Real and Fashionphile will say there's scuffs, and then sometimes there's no scuffs. And there is the chain. Look how beautiful it is. Oh boy. I am so excited about this bag. So this is where you put the crossbody chain, and the hardware looks like this. It is a small heavy bag, but it's because this is really, really beautiful, but it is heavy. And let's just remove this thing. Oh my god, it's just so annoying. So I got my Hello Kitty thing, which is the last blade, and we'll just go with that. She is now officially mine. I removed the tag. I'm going to keep this beautiful looking Thiara mini bag. And I should take a picture of it in the sun, or take a video of it in the sun, because this is just with my ring light. I don't like, oh! Since we have the dust bag out, might as well check. I have a feeling like the limited edition, like really beautiful Gucci bags, I noticed that they have made in Italy, so let's see if this one was made in Italy. I'm so dumb, huh? I always do this. So, yes, this one is made in Italy. Told ya. However, we'll see. I feel like I'm gonna get a limited edition Gucci bag, and it's gonna say made in China. It don't matter, it's just a dust bag. But it's something I've just been noticing. Such a cute box. This beautiful bag is amazing. A new bag for my collection. My dysfunctional addiction to luxury designer bags and stuff. One more thing. I do have photos from a friend that has the Evil Twin one, so I will do a comparison on the Evil Twin replica bag and my authentic one. But she lives like in Europe, so it's hard because she's taking photos. I know it's better to have it together so you can actually show it, but hopefully that video will be helpful. I can't even believe they make an Evil Twin one of these. But the cool thing is when she showed me, I was able to tell, like, because she has the authentic one too, in black. She goes, which one is the Evil Twin one? And I knew which one it was. So maybe I should just become an authenticator on the side. I mean, I already have a full-time job. Anyway, everybody, I'm blabbering on. Bye.